How to attract a man who ignores you. You have been interested in a guy for a while, but so far it seems like he's not interested in you. It can be frustrating when you put all of your efforts into attracting a man and it doesn't seem to work. However, what if there was a way to make him fall for you, even if he seems uninterested at first? In this video, we will explain the reason behind this behavior and show you 10 ways to attract a man and make him fall for you, even if he seems uninterested at the start. So if you've been struggling to get the attention of that special someone, watch this video all the way through. Hit the like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Understanding why he's ignoring you. The first step to attracting a man who seems to be ignoring you is understanding why he's doing it in the first place. According to relationship expert David Bennett, there are 4 main reasons why a man would ignore a woman. The first reason is that he's not interested in you. This could be because he doesn't find you attractive or he's not interested in dating right now. The second reason is that he's not ready for a relationship. He may want to date other people, or he may not be over his ex yet. The third reason is that he's intimidated by you. He may think you're out of his league, or he may be worried that he can't keep up with you. The fourth and final reason is that he's playing hard to get. He may be trying to make you chase him, or he may want to see if you're really interested in him. This is a very common reason, especially if you've only just met him. Now that you know some of the reasons why he might be ignoring you, let's move on to the ways you can attract him. Number 1. Leave him for a few days. This may seem counterintuitive, but when you give someone space, they often begin to miss you. For example, if you've been texting or calling him nonstop, try taking a step back and getting him some time to miss you. Remember, he's probably not used to you being so available, so by making yourself less available, you'll make yourself more attractive to him. It shows him that you're not desperate and that you have a life outside of him. When he realizes he's losing your attention, he'll start to pay more attention to you. Number 2. Revamp your appearance. Before you get this wrong, we're not saying that you need to change yourself for a man. However, making small changes to your appearance can help you feel more confident, which will in turn make you more attractive. If you've been wearing the same style of clothes for a while, try something new. Get a new haircut or buy some new clothes that make you feel good about yourself. When you look good, you feel good, and that confidence will shine through. Men are attracted to confident women, so this is a great way to make yourself more attractive to them. You don't need to look like a model, but making small changes to your appearance can make a big difference in how you feel about yourself and how he feels about you. Number 3. Reverse the situation. When you give a man attention, he usually feels good about himself. However, when you ignore him, it can make him feel insecure and unsure of himself. This is because men are used to being the ones who pursue women. When a woman ignores them, it's a blow to their ego. Studies have shown that men are more attracted to women who ignore them than women who give them too much attention. This is because when you reverse the situation and make him chase you, it makes him feel more invested in you. He will start to see you as a challenge, and he will work harder to win your affections. Number 4. Be fun and playful. One of the best ways to attract anyone is by being fun and playful. If you're always serious and uptight, it's not going to be very fun for him to be around you. Instead, try to relax and let go. Be silly and make jokes. Let yourself be free and carefree when you see him. When you're more fun to be around, he will start to see you as someone he wants to spend more time with. Men usually put more emphasis on how much fun they have with a woman, rather than how serious she is. Number 5. Let him see that you're doing fine without him. One of the worst things you can do is pursue a man who's ignoring you. This will only make him think you're desperate and that he can hag you whenever he wants. Instead, let him see that you're doing just fine without him. Go out with your friends, have fun, and don't chase after him. He will start to wonder why you're not chasing after him anymore, and he will become more interested in you. This is because men are attracted to what they can't have. When you make yourself less available, you become more attractive to him. Number 6. Make him jealous. Many of you may ask, how can he be jealous if he's not interested in me? But trust me, it's possible, thanks to reverse psychology. When you make a man jealous, it shows him that you have other options and that you're not desperate for his attention. This is a huge turn-on for men because it means you're not needy and you're confident enough to play the field. When you make him see that other guys are interested in you, it will trigger his jealousy and make him want you more. This is because men are competitive by nature, and they want what others have. So if you can make him think, she's interested in me, but she's also talking to other guys, I need to step up my game and make her mine, he'll be more likely to pursue you. Number 7. Embrace your femininity. It doesn't matter how old you are or what you do for a living, every woman has a feminine side. And this is something that men find incredibly attractive. This means being confident in yourself, being flirty and fun, and being comfortable in your own skin. You are simply not afraid to be who you are. When he sees this, he will be drawn to you like a moth to a flame. In a study conducted by psychologists, it was found that men are attracted to women who embrace their femininity. So if you want to attract him, make sure you're comfortable with being feminine. Number 8. Be mysterious. Don't be that girl who's always available and easy to get. Instead, be a little mysterious. Make him wonder why you're not chasing after him or why you're not always available when he wants to see you. This will intrigue him and make him want to know more about you. When you're more mysterious, he'll start to see you as a challenge. And when you're a challenge, he'll be more likely to pursue you. For example, when you meet him, don't tell him everything about yourself right away. Instead, let him get to know you a little bit at a time. Number 9. Change your mindset. Your mindset is everything. If you want to attract a man who seems uninterested, then you need to start thinking differently. First, you need to believe that you're worthy of love and attention, and if he's not getting it to you, then he's not worth your time. The second thing is to not take it personally when he ignores you, because oftentimes it's not about you, it's about him. Shifting the way you see the situation will help you to not get so emotionally invested and will make it easier for you to move on if he doesn't want you in his life. Number 10. Just be yourself. At the end of the day, the best thing you can do is just be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not or change who you are, just to try to fit into his mold. If he doesn't like you for who you are, then he's not worth your time. The best relationships are the ones where both people can just be themselves and they're still madly in love with each other. You cannot clap with one hand, and the same goes for relationships. Both parties have to be interested and invested in order for it to work. Final thoughts. Let's be honest here. Even though these psychological tips can help you to attract a man who seems not interested, there's no guarantee that they will work on every single guy out there. People are different, and what works for one might not work for another. However, if you try all of them and they don't seem to work on your guy, then it's safe to say that he's just not that into you, and it's time for you to move on. Regardless of how much you are interested in him, you deserve someone who is just as interested in you. Someone who makes you feel wanted and loved. Don't waste your time pining over someone who doesn't want you back. You are worth so much more than that. To learn more, check out the video that you see on the screen right now. You will learn the 13 surprising facts about men most women don't know about. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.